Example 2. Strawberries vary jointly as plums and tomatoes. Okay, now, jointly is a new one. Jointly is a fancy way of saying directly as more than one thing. Okay, so when you see jointly, it just means a direct variation with multiple things. So instead of saying strawberries vary directly as plums and directly as tomatoes, it's jointly as both. So if I'm doing the K technique, strawberries vary jointly as plums and tomatoes. S equals K times PT. Or if I'm using the equal ratio method, strawberries varied jointly, so P over P, T over T. And again, jointly means directly as both things, so 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Everything's direct. Again, my preference is this one over here, so I'm going to go this technique on this one. So the initial number of strawberries, plums, and tomatoes on top, finals on bottom. And we can see here that 500 strawberries went with 4 plums and 25 tomatoes. Those are all the top numbers. So 500 on top, and 4 plums and 25 tomatoes. How many plums would go with 40 strawberries and 2 tomatoes? So 40 strawberries is the final strawberries, final plums we don't know, final tomatoes is 2. This time I'm going to reduce first, I'll just cross multiply as is. So this product, 500 times 2 is 1,000 times P2, is equal to this product. 4 times 25 is 100, times 40 is 4,000. We divide both sides by 1,000, P sub 2 is equal to 4 plums. Alright, so that's a joint variation. It's the same as direct, except there's multiple things. You can vary jointly as many things. Varies jointly as plums, tomatoes, weeds, and grasshoppers. There, whatever. Alright, but anything you want to, every single thing that it varies jointly as goes up on like 1 over 2, 1 over 2 for each individual thing. So keep that in mind that a joint variation can be multiple things.